You will hear a tour guide explaining the recent changes made to the layout of the Riverside Heritage Garden. Now, listen carefully to the following audio and answer questions 16 to 20.
Okay, now I'm going to describe the layout of the Riverside Heritage Garden and point out some of the recent modifications. If you look at this map, you'll notice the gently curving river along the eastern edge with 3 gates, North Gate, South Gate and West Gate, marked by small symbols. Let's start at the North Gate. Previously, there was a simple footbridge leading into the garden, but this has now been replaced by a wider arch bridge with decorative lanterns on either side, making it much more inviting. Once inside, you'll see the rose beds that run parallel to the main pathway. These have been extended northwards by about 20 metres and now include a new variety of deep crimson roses that were relocated from the central greenhouse. Adjacent to these, on the left, is the memorial fountain. It's been cleaned and its surrounding seating area has been refurbished with curved wooden benches. Continuing south along the main path, you'll come to the children's herb garden. This area used to be a plain lawn, but it's now divided into 4 raised beds, each planted with a different aromatic herb: mint, lavender, thyme and basil. A low wooden fence surrounds it, and there's a small signboard at the entrance explaining how to touch and smell the herbs. Just beyond the herb garden, if you turn west, you'll find the new sculpture terrace. There are 3 modern stone sculptures placed on raised concrete plinths. To reach them, follow the narrow path from the herb garden, which takes a sharp right and runs alongside a line of birch trees. Finally, the Southgate area has also seen some changes. The old information kiosk has been replaced by a small pavilion with a sloping roof. Inside, you'll find updated maps and touchscreen displays, and outside, a row of bicycle racks has been installed for visitors who cycle to the garden. That completes the description of the Riverside Heritage Garden's recent updates.